Hello students, we start new chapter logic gates which has 15 marks. This chapter is introducing the relation between mathematics and logic by means Boolean algebra and logic gates. The logic gates are the basic circuits of digital electronics. We first learn the meaning of basic terms we use. Logic circuit. Suppose this is an electronic circuit. Circuits. These are inputs and output. Suppose inputs are indicated by A and B and output is indicated by Y. A circuit whose input and output signals are two states, either low or high voltage. A circuit whose inputs and output signals are two state, either low or high voltage. That means suppose the input A input may be 0 volt or for an example plus 5 volt. Means input A has two states. 0 voltage is one state, plus 5 volt is the another state. Same way B, input B may be 0 volt or plus 5 volts. According to that inputs output Y, we get 0 volt or plus 5 volt. Means a circuits whose inputs and output signals are two states, that is low or high. When the input is 0 volt, that time logically we can say that the input is low. When the input is plus 5 volt, that time we say that the output is the input is high. Logically it is indicated by 0 and 1. Such a circuit is known as a logic circuits. What is mean by gates? This is logic circuits, that is inputs and output. Output is indicated by Y. Input is A, B, C, D. A logic circuits with one or more inputs but only one output, such a circuit is known as a gate. A logic circuits which has one or more input signals but single output signal, such a circuit is known as a gate. Now the next term, truth table. A table that shows all input and output possibilities for a logic circuits is known as a truth table. Suppose this is a logic circuits. It has two inputs. That input is indicated by A and B, and output Y. Inputs, output. A and B inputs and Y output. Input A may be 0 or 1. B may be 0 or 1. What is meant by 0, 1? 0 and 1 are indicated the voltage levels, which is also known as a logic levels. 0 indicated for 0 volt, 1 indicated for plus 5 volt for positive logic. What is positive logic? We can explain. After see the all gates. A may be 0, that time suppose B be 0. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Means for that circuits, whatever the input possibilities are, all possibilities are shown into that tables, and according to that inputs we get outputs. Means that table shows all inputs and output possibilities for a logic circuit. Such a table is known as a truth table. Now we see the Boolean equation. It is mathematical equation representing a particular gate for input and output. It is a mathematical equations which representing the particular gates inputs and outputs. Mathematical equation shows the relation between that inputs and outputs. Such a mathematical equation is known as a Boolean equations. Symbol. Each gate is represented by a logic symbols. There are the number of logic circuits, means there are the number of logic gates. So we distinguish by using that logic symbols. Now we see the next definition. Logic gates. Logic gates is an electronic circuits which has one or more input signals but only one output. The input and output is expressed in terms of binary code. Suppose this is logic gates which has one or more input signals and single outputs. That inputs are indicated by A, B, C, D. Such a circuit is known as a logic gates. That is the electronic circuits which has one or more input signals but only one output. but its inputs and output has only two voltage levels or two logic levels, or also is expressed in terms of binary code. Such a circuit is known as a logic gates. Such a circuit is known as a logic gates. Logic gates. There are the two types of gates. First, basic gates, which is also known as a fundamental gate, and the second type is derived gates. Now we first see the basic gate, which is also known as a fundamental gate. There are three basic gates. First, inclusive OR gate. Generally we say OR gate. Second, AND gate, and third is NOT gate, which is also known as a inverter. We first see the inclusive OR gate. Generally we say OR gate. The logic symbol of OR gate is it is a logic circuits which has two or more inputs, minimum two inputs, two or more inputs, but single output. Its Boolean expression which is also known as a mathematical equations is y is equal to a or b, where plus sign indicates for ORing function. There are the two inputs, so we draw the truth tables. Two inputs, so there are the four possibilities. A and B inputs. Its Boolean equation is y is equal to a or b, which is also known as a plus b. Inputs may be 0 0, maybe 0 1, maybe 1 0 or 1 1. When a and b is equal to 0, we get output 0, 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1. Then we can define the OR gates. OR gate is an logic circuits which has two or more inputs but only one output. When any input is high, output is high, it is known as OR gates. Case first. When A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, then Y is equal to A plus B. Therefore Y is equal to 0 or 0. Y is equal to 0. Case second. When A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, then Y is equal to A plus B is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Plus sign indicated for ORing functions. Y is equal to A plus B, or it is also say that Y is equal to A or B. Case third. When A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, then Y is equal to A plus B is equal to 1 plus 0, or 1 or 0 is equal to 1. Now case 4. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, then Y is equal to A plus B is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 1. Plus means it is a ORing functions. Plus and indicated for ORing functions. OR gate is an logic circuits which has two or more input signal but only one output. When any input is high, output is high, such a logic circuit is known as OR gates. Now we see three inputs OR gate. A, B, C are inputs, Y is output. So what is Boolean equation? Y is equal to A or B or C. Then what is truth table? A, B, C, Y is equal to A or B or C. There are three inputs. So how many possibilities of the inputs? That is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. there are 8 possibilities. Each input has 2 possibilities. There are the 3 inputs, therefore 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. So inputs are 8 possibilities. We know the definition of the OR gates. When any input is high, output is high. Here all inputs are 0, so here we get output 0. In input is high, output is high. In input is high, output is high. In input is high, output is high. OR gate is an logic circuit which has 2 or more input signals but a single output signals. When any input is high, output is high, such a logic circuit is known as a OR gates. Now we see the next gate, second. AND gate. Its logic symbol A and B inputs, Y output. Its Boolean equation Y is equal to A and B. That dot indicates for ending function. There are the 2 inputs. So in truth table, how many possibilities? That is 4 possibilities. A, B. What is the Boolean equation, which is also known as a mathematical equation? That is Y is equal to A and B. We also say that Y is equal to A into B. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1. Then what is the definition of AND gate? AND gate is an logic circuit which has 2 or more inputs but only one output. When any input is low, output is low. Its Boolean equation is Y is equal to A and B. Also say that Y is equal to A and B. Its logic symbol, it truth table. AND gate is an logic circuit which has 2 or more inputs but only one output. When any input is low, output is low. A and B is equal to 0, then Y is equal to 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Second possibility is Y is equal to 0 into 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Three inputs AND gate. There are 3 inputs A, B, C, output Y. Then what is Boolean equation? Y is equal to A and B and C. So A, B, C, Y is equal to A into B into C. 3 inputs, how many possibilities? 8 possibilities, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. What is the definition of AND gates? When any input is low, output is low. 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 When all inputs are high, means there is no single inputs low, so we get here output 1. AND gate is an logic circuits which has 2 or more inputs but only one output. When any input is low, output is low. When all inputs are high, output is high. Now the last basic gates, that is known as a NOT gate, which is also known as a inverter. NOT gate, which is also known as an inverter. Single input, single output, that is logic symbol. Its Boolean equation, y is equal to A complement. Complement means opposite. Its truth table, single inputs. Its Boolean equation, y is equal to A complement. Single input, so how many possibilities? 2 possibilities, that is 0 and 1. Its Boolean equation is y is equal to A complement. A complement means input complement. 0 complement 1, 1 complement 0. So the definition of NOT gate is, NOT gate is an logic circuits which has a single input and single output, and output is the complement of input. It is known as a NOT gate or inverter. NOT gate is an logic circuits which has 1 inputs and 1 output, which has a single input and single output. Output is the complement of input. Such a logic circuit is known as a NOT gate, also inverter. NOT gate has a single input, so single input A, single inputs, so there are only 2 possibilities, that is 0 and 1, and output is the complement of input. Output is the complement of inputs. So 0 complements 1, 1 complement 0, so we get the output is the complement of input.